guys, I received a package from Amazon today. Let's see what it is. What do we have here? So I got this DJI Mavic Mini from Amazon. This is the box. It's a sealed box. Okay, so the MRP is 32,999. It's made in China. Let's look at the box itself. $249 grams, 30 minutes max flight time, 4km HD video transmission, vision sensor, GPS precise hover, 3-axis gimbal, 2.7K camera. Okay, those are the specs. It doesn't have 4K like its bigger brother, the Mavic Pro. And this is just 249 grams, so it does not attract any license or registration requirements. So in the box you get the aircraft itself, the flight battery and the remote controller, and you need to control this drone using the DJI Fly app. So let me reveal the price which I paid. I bought it during the Amazon Great Indian Festival and I got it for just 28,900. It's a sealed box, guys. So the offer which I got was, I got a daily bonus from Amazon, around 1,000 rupees I guess, and then the EMI discount I got 1,750, and then I also got cashback on Amazon Pay. So overall the price got reduced for Prime members. So I've opened the seal, guys. So this is what you get inside. This is the drone. Everything is sealed and packed. If you can see, even there is a protective cover here. Please remove the gimbal protector before taking off. It's all sealed, guys. Let's keep the drone to the side and let's see what else we got. So this should be the remote control. The packaging is really good. I mean, the materials they have used is excellent. let's see what else we got. We have one more tiny box here. Let me just open it. I think this should be the charger. Yeah. Oh no, this is not the charger. This is those cables, I think, which you use to plug into your phone, which act as a viewfinder. So yeah, you get 3 cables here. So this one is micro USB, this one is type C, and this is lightning for Apple. So you got 3 cables so that you can connect the remote to your phone using these cables, so that your phone screen will act as the viewfinder. Let's see what else is there inside this tiny box. So you got some extra blades, and you got this screwdriver to open the drone or the remote control. And what is this? Let's see, what is this? Okay, these are the remote control knobs, which you can fix it like this here and here, and there is one more packet, and this is obviously the charger. Let me quickly remove it. And yeah, this is the charger. So it's a micro USB charger. Also, the last thing in the box are these quick start guides. Make sure you read them before flying. And there is a quick guide here. Driving is complex, flying is easy. There are some do's and don'ts. And finally, we got Australian Government Civil Aviation Safety Authority. What is this? Important safety information. You will be required to register any drone that weighs over 250 grams and do a short quiz to test your knowledge of the drone safety rules. Find out more, droneflyer.gov.au. Okay, we don't need that. So let me fix these. Oh my god, this feels so good. And yeah, so these are the antennas. This is for connecting the phone. These are very tight, so you need to keep your phone here. So I'm trying to test this drone, flying it for the first time. So in case I make any mistakes, just forgive me. This is the first time I'm flying a drone. At the later part of the video, I have attached some video samples. I have just tried out the drone shot. I didn't get a chance to try out the other shots like circle, helix, rocket, etc. because I need a suitable place to test those out, because circle needs wide space with no trees and all. This drone does not have obstacle detection, hence we need to be very careful. So I didn't get a suitable place, probably a plain ground or something. You just have to click this button, then click on takeoff. There it goes. I couldn't fly much at this location because there were big birds who were flying around the drone and were trying to pick it up and fly away. So I was scared and we just left the place as soon as possible after these shots.